Alright. It is a rain day in Brisbane today. It's actually pretty bad. To the point where public transport is being cancelled. Well, actually no, that might not be true. Public transport is free for some reason because the roads are all getting washed out and whatnot. Like, it's flooding. We're getting to the point of flooding. Not as bad as 2011's flood, which I was in the middle of. Still not great all the same. So Simone had a really good idea that we should take pictures of doing bombs into the pool. She has since flaked out. She's just tired. She wants to have a nap and, you know, just enjoy a day off. Sorry, I should have pointed. I don't know why I didn't say that. It's only like, I don't know, I think it's like 12 something, 12:30, maybe it's 1 o'clock, but we dipped out. We've come home. So I didn't know what was behind me. Could have been anything. Oh my gosh, I saw Logan last night. That movie was amazing, really. And I've said this to a couple of people, it's not a good superhero movie, it's just a good movie. If you watch that movie and you can find a flaw with it, tell me what it is, because I have no idea. The ancillary characters are amazing. There's no, well, actually no, sorry, I'll take that back. Dr. Rice, I could have done without Dr. Rice. If you've seen it, then you'll know. I mean, he had one good part, which was actually just a back and forth between him and Wolverine, but other than that, I didn't really care too much about him. Yeah, so one person that I didn't really care for, but it was, you know, it was really cool, and it was close enough, like I was saying to one of my friends, that it was close enough to the spirit of what Old Man Logan was, that I'm not annoyed that it's not Old Man Logan. I don't really know how well my computer will be able to do slow motion, so we're gonna see anyway. And if it works out well, then I apologize in advance for the slow motion belly fat, because you boys just, yeah, I don't work out. It'll be apparent. Anyway, let's go. Oh, by the way, I'm just jerry-rigging this in like the worst way, because I'm filming this on the camera that Fiona got me for Christmas. It is not weatherproof. I think this camera will just dismantle itself if it got wet. So I found, actually I'll show you, I don't even know why I have it, but it's one of those document bags, like, hold on, let me just straighten this out. So like you put in a binder. I think I might have, whoa, calm down. Alright, so this actually fits over the camera, even with the screen up, so I probably won't do that. And I mean, like, it's passable. I'm more interested, like, to be honest, even if it had nothing on it, rain would get on the lens, so, you know, it's not going to be totally clear. If I had a newer one of these that wasn't so muffed up, it would probably work a lot better, but anyway, this is what we're going with. I don't even know if you can hear me, because it's inside the plastic bag now.
Stop it. Get some help.
That really, really hurt. I don't know if I really want to do it anymore. I might just do one more.
last one was flat and then destroyed. That one my butt hit and that kind of broke a little bit. Alright, well that's enough of that. As you can tell, it's horrible, horrible weather in Brisbane at the moment, in Queensland in general. This is all kind of going to pass in the next, I don't know, like 8 hours or something. Oh no, sorry, 4 hours, and then I think we have like 5 hours of a storm that's coming from up north, from I don't know, up north. I don't live there, sheesh, I don't know. But I think that's going to do it for today, because I'm just going to have a relaxing swim and do things that don't hurt my back. Anyway, God bless, take care of each other, and I'll see you next time.